Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get Sims on PC. There are two kind of ways to do it. You can download it on Steam. So if you go to store and you can go to the Sims 4, and as you can see the Sims 4 is free. The others you do have to pay for it though. So select the game. And then you are just going to press play, like add to library, and then play game. And then you can also join the membership on EA, and it's going to like give you this like pack for free. And you can also download it on the Xbox Game Pass if you have one, and you can also download it on EA app, I think. But it is from the like Steam kind of app, and then it's going to open it on the EA app, and then it's going to load you on like the Sims game. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it. I already said that. I'm so sorry. I meant if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.